Uh, Everyone always says that coffee grounds are best for pepper plants and tomato plants, but this is a gray zucchini, or otherwise known as a calabacita, and I've been treating it with coffee grounds, and it's giving me more female shoots. See, right here, that's a small one. This one over here, I hand pollinated, so it should be a good one. And anyway, I just wanted to show I got a few female shoots coming out. There's that one. There's another one up higher. So, and I have it growing vertical with a tomato plant in a tomato cage. I just thought I'd show that the coffee grounds work good for that. Nomás estoy enseñando mi mata de calabacita y que está empezando a darme fruto porque les estoy dando conques del café para fertilizante y parece que está dando buen resultado. Nada más quería compartir esa información porque siempre dicen que los conques nada más son para matas de tomates y de chiles.